It's another gorgeous day in the middle of November. So crazy. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke. This is gonna be a few days in my life, starting off on a Saturday. This has been like such a super chill Saturday, but I'm here for it. I cleaned, I have just been doing a little bit of work things because I know that I'm going out tonight and I'm gonna see friends later. So there's a Georgia game tonight. That's where I went to college, if you don't know. University of Georgia, so I do root for them. I try to as best as I can. Ben's friend is having a party tonight, so I know that I have plans tonight. So I was like, let me take the day to have my day. And I was like, why am I not vlogging? Like, I could totally be vlogging this. I wanted to also say I'm so excited because on this video I'm actually working with Our Place. They have amazing kitchenware that I've actually been using for years, and I got some new things that I wanted to show you. They come to your house in these beautiful boxes. Also such great gift ideas. So I picked out 2 new items that I'm gonna show you. I saw this on the website and I was obsessed, and then when they reached out to work together I was like, this was already on my wish list, so this is perfect. This is the oven pan. I got this amazing steam color. They have such cute colors on the website. So this is the oven pan. I got the color steam. Sorry, look at the color. It comes with this removable mat. It's a parchment alternative, and you could use it to measure dough. Like, these are each 1 inch. I just think they think about literally every detail. I'm always throwing things into the oven, even if it's just something frozen. So I feel like I needed a good pan, and I'm really excited about this one. You could actually also use this, obviously take off the mat, as a griddle for your stovetop, which I just think is so cool. Everything is so universal from this brand. And I really liked this steam color, so I decided to get an always pan in the steam color too. This is their like classic item that you've probably heard about. It replaces like 8 pieces of cookware. It does it all. Like I said, everything's very universal. So we have, look at this. This is a steamer basket that comes inside, a spatula, and then here is the actual pan. How gorgeous. I'm so into investing in your cookware, but actually right now they are having a huge sale. So this pan is $95. Most of the stuff on their website is like 30% off. It's the Black Friday sale, but they're starting it early. So that's why this video is probably going up before Black Friday. How gorgeous is this? It just like, it's inspiring me to cook. Like, I'm like, what can I cook in this now? I'm like thinking. I actually already have their knives that I love so much. I'm like, let me just show you my knife collection. They also have really cool tableware. They have kitchen tools, everything that you could think of to upgrade your kitchen. But I feel like if you're looking for a good place to start, the Always Pan is a classic. I actually got the Always Pan for Margot Lee last year. We did like a Christmas gift exchange, and I got this for her, and I know she loves it too. And this pan is so iconic because it actually has amazing non-stick technology. It's like a non-stick coating. It's made without potentially toxic ingredients. I feel like this is a big thing these days, is like being wary of like how your cookware is made. So that is important to note too. I'm just so happy that this stuff is here, so I am going to plan to cook meals with it. I need to get thinking. I'm gonna go on New York Times Cooking and Pinterest. Those are my 2 like places that I find recipes and try to find something to make. This is so exciting. I'm like inspired to cook. And I will have both of these items linked down below, as well as Our Place, because like I said, they're having a huge sale right now. So stock up on holiday gifts, or if it's on your wish list, send that link to people because it's on sale. I just watched Molly's vlog where she made boba, and now I want boba. Do I still have it? I have 2 left. Do I have milk? I just realized I like don't have milk. Damn it. I really wanted to make the Trader Joe's boba, but I don't have milk. But I need to order some groceries in a little bit, so I'll just wait, I guess, a little bit. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I ended up going out yesterday for the Georgia game. I just went to like a sports bar with some friends, and then I went to Brooklyn for a little housewarming party, and I woke up this morning. I woke up like this. Not really. I put on a pimple patch. I woke up with a pimple, so I threw that bad boy on there. Today we're gonna have a fun day. We're celebrating Katie's birthday today, even though her birthday was like a while ago, like a month ago. Danielle and I as we're very into experience gifts. Katie got Danielle a cooking class for her birthday, and Katie, Danielle, and I have just been talking about going to like a painting thing. Not necessarily like a class. I guess it is a class. It's like an experience. So we are going to Paint and Pour in the Lower East Side. I've just thought about this. I'm like, I don't really feel like drinking today, but it's like more for like the fun of it. Like I'll have a drink, you know, and like do some painting. And then we're gonna go to dinner afterwards. So we're celebrating that tonight, starting at like 6 o'clock. Alexis Barber, she's a TikToker, she does social media, came out with a line of robes. Her brand is called Too Collective, T-O-O, and she sent me this robe, and I threw it on yesterday and I haven't taken it off since. I definitely need to wash it because I have like makeup and stuff on it, but it's super cozy. Those are the morning updates. I'm gonna actually assess groceries and make a grocery list and order some right now. I decided I'm gonna make some fajitas for lunch today. So I got the ingredients. Some chicken breast. This is a very small quantity of chicken breast, so I think it's gonna be like a 1 serving situation. We'll make it work. I've been kind of weird about meat these days anyways. I go through phases with it, and recently just chicken, it hasn't been doing it for me. So a small amount of chicken's fine. Cilantro, some flour tortillas, peppers, limes, and then I actually already have, I think, the other things needed for it. Or I should at least. Spices, and I have sour cream. It's a pretty simple recipe. Then I decided to restock on some coffee ingredients. I just got another thing of cold brew. You guys saw with the boba before, I needed some almond milk. Heard a lot of good things about this brand recently. 3 Trees. So I'm gonna try it for the first time today. And then I have just been loving sweet coffee. Not like super, super sweet, but just a little splash. So I got this Torandi vanilla syrup, which I know they use at like some coffee shops and stuff. Actually, the coffee shop I go to in Brooklyn, when I sleep at Ben's and I like go home in the morning, I have this like routine where I go and I get a hot vanilla latte with almond milk, and I'm pretty sure they use this. I'm gonna actually just make a regular iced coffee to start off, and then we'll make the fajitas in a little bit. It's very good, but it's not super sweet. Perfect. Cold brew, this almond milk, whipped cream, vanilla syrup, and you know, modified Starbucks at home. And I don't even have an espresso machine right now. Not that I've been using mine, but if you guys knew it broke and stuff, so this is all just bought from the store. It ends up like actually costing a lot for all of the ingredients, but I guess like, you know, at Starbucks, if you were to get like a sweet cream, whatever, that's like $5 or $6. These ingredients are definitely expensive, but then you can make, I guess, a lot of them for that price, which is how you save, because it's like, you know, a lot of coffee is for the price of whatever. I get it, but I still love my Starbucks. Oh, I need an onion for that recipe too, but I already have that. Cuts t-shirt, story little shorts, and let's get to cooking, because it's not gonna cook itself.
A great answer to why I didn't respond was that, like,
I like to plan.
Okay, now we are getting to cooking. Just adding a little bit of oil, because that's what the recipe calls for. I love that the Always pan also has this handy like spoon rest, so I can just leave it there. Have them all chopped up here. The non-stick on this pan, 10 out of 10. Look at that non-stick. I feel like this is like, I'm really pushing, but I swear it's just so great. So those are softened. Now a little more oil. And this has just been like in that lime juice cilantro marinade. Didn't have to go so hard, but I did. The chicken is cooked, so I'm going to add back in the veggies, and then we are going to have the fajitas like really all combined here. We get that marinade, the peppers definitely need to be cooked a little more. Amazing. I am transferring this to the bowl just so that I can warm up the tortillas in here. Look at that steam. So I snacked before, so I'm actually not so hungry, but the good news is we have containers for leftovers. Oh my god, they are piping hot. And I think I'm just gonna put the mixture in the leftover containers so that I can make them like put cilantro and sour cream and stuff like that on top when I eat them. But I am gonna try one because I have to. So we have 2 servings for later, and then I'm just gonna have a small one now. I haven't even tasted it as I cooked, so I literally have no idea how this is gonna go. Topping with some more cilantro and then some sour cream. I don't even know if this is like the proper way to eat it, but I will try it. Here we go. So good. Wow, I'm impressed with myself. This recipe is fire. It's from Isabel Eats. Here, I'll show you guys her page. Fire, 10 out of 10. I've managed to compose myself because I just finished this very, very sad book. This is Pack Up the Moon by Kristen Higgins. It's 4 o'clock, the sun's setting, so it's time to do my makeup. I curled my hair like yesterday or something, so I just might not even touch it because sometimes I feel like it's just best to just keep it messy. We'll see, we'll see. Okay guys, I'll show you my outfit. I am ready. Super, super casual. The coat is Aritzia. I'm wearing this Reformation cashmere sweater. I love it so much. I had the black and white striped one, and then I ordered this like brown one because I liked it so much. Citizens of Humanity jeans and Uggs because I just wanted to keep it comfy and cozy because we're gonna be like walking around and stuff. And it's finally cooler. I'm gonna regret saying that when it's like the depths of winter, but it's gonna be cold this week, so yes. this? I can't wait. I can't see yours till the end. So this is, no, don't show me. This is my final result. Honestly, it's not bad. Katie's looks amazing. It's so you, like those little, like, it's so you.
Danielle's little taxi.
Good morning, guys. Let's get ready for a podcast recording. Last night was so fun. We went to the Paint and Pour place, celebrated Katie's birthday at Paint and Pour in the Lower East Side. So fun. Highly recommend if you have a group. It's $50 for a ticket, and that gets you unlimited drinks while you're there, and you get to paint. So you get to like bring home the canvas, but you get unlimited drinks too. And if you drink enough, that makes it really worth it. I did not drink enough to make it worth it. So not me, but there were people around us having so much fun. They were like playing Drake. The class was like, it was like guided, but it was pretty like loose at the same time. We'll insert a picture of my finished work here. You know, I didn't think it was that bad. I'm really not artistic at all. I put it on my story and some people were replying like, oh my god, bro, like LOL. And I'm like, is it that bad? I don't. And then we walked over to Parm in Nolita. It was so good. I've only ordered from there on delivery. It's the same people who do Carbone, but you don't need a reservation. And it's like really small. There's not a lot of seating. You can like sit at the counter. There's not too many seats at that location, at least. They have a few locations. But holy shit, the pasta, and I got the eggplant parm, but the pasta was so good. I can't. The spicy rotini. And we got an amazing Caesar salad. Overall was a fabulous gals night. Just had some calls for stuff related to the podcast and like live show, whatever. I'm pretty positive this is back in stock now, the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, which is what I use as a base for my makeup, or the Charlotte Tilbury one, but this one's much more expensive. So, and this one's $14 and you could get it at Target. I wear shade 3. I could definitely, now that I self-tanned last night, so I could definitely go a shade darker. Anyways, last night was fabulous. Just a reminder to plan your girls' nights, especially if you guys are like me and you have friends that are planners. You know, you could plan it a little while in advance and like people will still go. We were just talking last night about how we want to go to so many more restaurants, Danielle, Katie, and I. You know, some friends can't necessarily plan like a month in advance, but we are big planners in terms of like we can, you know, like we could look at a month out and be like, oh, let's go to dinner on this one specific day. So we were like, let's start doing that. All right, I'm gonna quickly get ready. The sweater is from J. Crew. It's very cute and neon, so I thought it would be good for podcasting. This is our last recording at the studio. We're not renewing our lease, so we need to coordinate the move out details for all of that too. A lot of moving pieces to life right now, but it's all good. All right, we're gonna get ready. All right, outfit. This big scarf is from Kenzie's brand, the O kind, and I went to an event and they embroidered it, which I love. I love anything customized. I feel like it will keep me nice and warm. My coat is Ritzia and then I'm wearing the neon sweater, so whatever. And then just jeans and Uggs because that's the go-to. The Reformation jeans today. I don't know, kind of random. Wish that the sweater was neutral, but I want to shoot in the bright pink sweater because I know it will look better on camera. Girls are here ready to record.
The last. We both wore bright pink in honor to contrast with the purple wall, the iconic purple wall. It's so beautiful.
I know. Maybe we'll have a studio again someday. We'll see.
Yeah, I could see that happening again, and we'd like make it more of our own rather than like you were saying in my vote, corporate.
Very much so. Like they barely even let us paint the wall. Like it's very corporate here. So
yeah.
We just, but we wanted it like an office space. We were like, oh, like an office. Like we wanted it to be like, you know, feel like we like had a job.
Yeah, and
yeah,
this was so fun, especially
so
like,
fun
for my first year here, and like honestly, because you moved during COVID, like I feel like it was just like a really exciting time for everybody and for us, and it's really nice walking in here. Like
I agree.
Opening ship.
I don't regret it at all. I think it was a great year.
No regrets.
We love you, purple wall. We'll never forget you.
Yes.
I really want to shower. I showered off my self-tan this morning, but I really want to do a full body shower, including my hair, because it's pretty dirty. But first, we're gonna heat up some fajitas. That's exciting. Microwave these. And then I'm gonna warm up tortillas in the pan. Getting a little overwhelmed because I leave for Florida on Friday and I just have a lot to do before then. And even with it, I'm gonna have, like, I thought that it would be more of a chill week next week because I'm like, oh, I'll be in Florida, whatever. But I still am gonna have kind of a busy week with work stuff. And I'm so thankful because it's all good things. But at the same time, it's just like timing it all right. And I never want too much sponsored content to go up at once, but at the same time, right now I'm getting a lot of opportunity and a lot of them like can't be moved per se. So it's either I do it now or I don't do it at all. And sometimes when you say no to a brand, they don't come back around. Like, you know, it doesn't always happen that way. So I'm like, oh, how do I manage this in a way that is economically efficient, fair to you guys, and just like ethical, you know? It's a lot to manage. My mom always says, big business, big problems. So there we have it. Dina Michio lesson of the day for you. Just warming up these. The episode went great. We talked about Thanksgiving, plans and whatnot. I like barely ate today as per usual. I wait until I'm like starving. It's not good. Stunning.
Oh, stunning.
Yeah. I'm so hungry. I'm like shaking. Good. Don't do that. I also didn't add cheese yesterday. So good. Living in my robe. I just got so stressed about everything that I'm bringing to Florida, so I just was like, I'm just gonna start packing now. I think I'm really gonna bring 2 suitcases because I'm planning on bringing a bunch of like summery clothes and leaving them down there, like summery just comfy dresses and stuff like that. I have a closet there, so might as well be using it. And if I can make, you know, packing for myself for future trips easier, because we have this place now. It's my family's home. If you didn't know, my mom and dad got a place in Florida. But I plan on using it a good amount this winter because not a big fan of like January, February in the city. So if I have somewhere I could go, I have this set of luggage. Also, shout out to the Gals on the Go luggage tag. It is out now on Fanjoy. I'm obsessed. I have it on both pieces of luggage I have, as well as this little monogram sticker because I think it's cute. But it's $15 and it's amazing. And I have the tote bag here, the overthinking. I have the oversharing one somewhere else. This is also from the new merch drop. I have cameras in there. Those need to be more carefully packed, of course. I just put the mics in there too. I'm shooting some sponsored content when I'm down there, so I packed some stuff from the brands that I'm shooting for. And I have to do some more. I'm gonna throw in those summery dresses, like I said now, just so I don't forget them. I just was thinking about it, making a list of like what to pack, and so I don't forget anything. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start throwing it in now, just so that I really don't forget anything, because I'm gonna be there for a week. I haven't been away for a week in a minute, just like completely away from my apartment, like not returning for a week. So I'm like, how do I pack for long-term things again? I'll figure it out. Wearing my Gals on the Go merch. I think this is still on the website maybe, or at least some stuff from this collection is. This is the previous one. And there's black leggings. I'm gonna go to Ben's in a little bit. Gonna talk to my brother first on the phone and then head over there. I've been snacking on these tortilla chips with no dip though, because I don't really have any salsa or guac. I should have gotten guac yesterday or planned to make it with the fajitas. Next time I will do better. With it getting dark at 5 o'clock, it's just, it's sad, man. It's not the vibe. It's cold. It's like 42 degrees right now or something.